What's going on, everyone? Miguel here from Retro Basement, here to break open the game tonight. I got this from Best Buy a while ago. I have like a huge backlog, so even if these games not new, I'll probably be unboxing them with you. So I got this for Best Buy on sale in my area in New York. So let's see if anything comes with this bad boy. Okay, I got the plastic off here. Jeez, that's kind of annoying. Here we go. Scratched the box a little bit. That sucks, but whatever. It's not a big deal. Here's there's no code in here. So yeah, here's Wipeout. I'm gonna play it via stream tomorrow on Twitch. Oh, it comes with a code. Use below for download content. So I'm gonna do that. And it looks like it's a reversible cover too. Wait, no, it's not. Well, I guess it can be, kind of, right? Anyway, I wanted to unbox this with you guys. Nonetheless, this is Miguel unboxing games. So remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Let you know when I come out with new videos. Take care, everyone. Wipeout Mega Collection. I got it for, I think, 20 bucks or something like that, maybe less. Take care. Adios. Peace. Yeah, it's been a while. I've been studying for an exam, so my videos will be kind of spontaneous, per se, when I upload them. So I hope you enjoy. This was kind of a bare bones one. It came with one little short code, but I'll be back when unboxing more reviews and things like that. Take care. Stay safe.